Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. It's time for another options video. Today we're going to be making an options trade live. I'm going to be attempting to anyway. This is Monday at 10 o'clock at night here in Manila, which is I guess about 10 o'clock in the morning there in America on Eastern Standard. So first of all, I'm going to dive into the phone, show you guys what's going on here and record the trade for you guys. Record the screen. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, I'm gonna open up, well, it's already open, Webull. You can see here right now I've got $6,838 worth of value here, 62.27 in cash. And if you look at here in my positions, I've got 2 positions in this portfolio. I got SpaceX and CHPY. But that's not important. Today what we're gonna do is sell a put option and earn some income. Now, right now, if you look here, the current market situation, you can see the QQQ is up over 0.5%, and the SPY is up almost 1%. It's 0.88, 0.89. But what we're going to do here, we're going to sell. See, I have to watch this here. Tier 1 options. These are the ones that I watch the most, and we have HIMS, SLV, DRAM, and SoFi. And I'm going to try to get some premium on DRAM. This might be risky. DRAM is very, very volatile right now. And there's a big earnings coming up in a couple of days on SanDisk, I believe. So this could be very volatile, and I don't recommend doing this during an earnings situation, but this is what I'm going to do. But you can see right now the price is $48.61 or so. If I go down here to the green options button, it's going to bring up the options chain, and these are expiring in 4 days, which means Friday expiration. So first of all, you can see the red in the middle there is the current price, 58 or 48.53. It's down almost 4% today. So this is actually kind of a good time to sell a put option because you can get higher premiums because the price is falling. And hopefully it goes back up. I don't know, we'll see. But what I'm going to do here, what I like to look at is the delta when I'm selling options. So if I scroll over here to the right, you can see we have the implied volatility, the open interest, and there it is, the delta. That's what I'm looking for. Now for me, I'm going to be somewhat conservative, even though this is a risky trade because the earnings are coming. But when I say conservative, I like to choose a delta at 20 or below. So if I go down here to the delta, there's a 21 and there's a 19 and there's a 17. So maybe I'll choose this 19. Oops. Let me go back. Maybe I'll choose this 19 delta or 18.1895. Basically what that means is, for example, if the delta is 18, there's basically an 18% chance that the stock will fall to that price. Okay, and then there's a 82% chance that I'll be right and that this will be worthless. But when you're dealing with a very volatile stock like DRAM, take that with a grain of salt because it can be very risky because this can drop like a rock, but it can also go in the other direction super fast. So you have to be very careful with this. But what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm looking for this 20 delta or so. I think I'm going to go a little bit less than 20. I'm going to go with this $43.50 price, which is delta 18. So if we scroll over here, that's 76 bucks or 74. I'm gonna click here versus the limit price. I'm gonna go with the mid price, which is 75, which more than likely will let me get filled. Oh, now it's 78. Okay, we're gonna go 78. I should get 78 bucks for this. Let's see if we can sell it. Let's confirm it. And I've already been filled. So I just made a quick $78. And if you go look at my account here, see my cash value now is 63.06. So I did gain that 78 bucks right now in my account. And if I go here to my positions, you can see it is open now. And it's already 15%. Let me see. Oh no, I'm up 1.27%. So I'm already up. So what I'm gonna do with this trade, well, now I'm down again. See, this thing's moving around like crazy. What I'm gonna do, just like last time when I sold the put option on DRAM, I sold 2 of them already. closed one at 72% profit, and I closed another at 80% profit. So I'm looking for something similar here. If this gets over 50%, I'll probably close it, especially if this happens fast, because the earnings are coming on, I think, the 5th for SanDisk. So there's another one too. I can't remember what it is, but the earnings are coming, so this can move really, really fast. So if I get a chance to lock in 30, 40, 50% profit, I'll go ahead and lock that in and put that in my pocket and be done with it. And the way you do that, I'll just show you guys really fast. If you hit trade, you just hit buy, and I can buy it back, and you just choose the price. But right now I don't want to buy it because it's, you know, not doing anything. It'll break even. So I'm going to wait till it gets about 30, 40, 50% profit, and I'll buy it and lock it in. And I'll try to make a video for you guys and record that for you. But I just made a quick quick 79 bucks right there, just like that. So let me know what you guys think about selling put options, especially on DRAM right now, because it is super volatile, kind of risky right now with the earnings. So let me know what you guys think. If you want more options videos, let me know that in the comments below, and I'll definitely make another video about options and share with you guys the outcome of this trade. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time. It's my bedtime. I made some money, time to sleep.